Hey tubes, this is a Craftsman I. This is really old school, where the spark plug is on the back of the engine. I mean back here. I've got it sitting on its side right now because it was a trade-in, and it was a trade-in because the guy had a problem with the primer bulb. He just wanted, so here's the primer bulb, as you can see. It's got a hole there, so it wouldn't start. I put carb spray directly into the carburetor. This thing started on the second pull. It's got plenty of compression. I needed to add a little bit of oil. So what I'm going to do is, I believe the Briggs Classic Primer bulbs will also work for this one. So what I'm going to do is, here's a Briggs Classic Primer bulb. Okay, I'm going to take this off. This is the retaining ring that was on it. So I'm going to put that like that, and I'm going to install this. Or it could be it goes like this. Yeah, I think it goes like this. And install it. If that doesn't work, I'll pull it out and use the plastic retaining ring. So let's see. I mean, because look at it. Here's the bottom ring. It's about the same. So I hope this works, because I don't have a Tecumseh primer bulb that will fit this, and I don't want to have to order one. So here's your model number. What I got here is, I got the primer bulb in this primer bulb. I've got the original retaining clip from the Tecumseh primer bulb. I extracted out and put it in like that. Then here I've got a 13/16 socket I'm going to put over it, and then I'm going to bang it in to bend the tabs. So primer bulb, retaining ring, going to kind of push it in with and just gradually put it in with my flathead screwdriver. Now I'm going to take my 13/16 socket, put it in there like that, and take my rubber mallet. Now maybe I need to use these slightly smaller. I know it's one of these. Yeah, it's probably this one. And that's in. You just get for a couple good measures. That's not coming out. So you've got a Tecumseh with a Briggs primer. It's probably the only one that'll ever work that way. So let me go try to start this, see if this one will work. So probably the black primer also from a Briggs Classic would work. This is extremely loud with the muffler right here, and it's kind of facing back towards the operator. This is nah. This thing really should be facing the other way, which I'm not going to change because I don't want to take a risk of engine bolt. But that's a first. Pretty easy to fix too. Looks like the pull cord's been replaced. It's got a new air filter. It's got a new spark plug. So this one should be ready to go. I topped off the oil with some oil stabilizer. Later.